Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh classes. In this video series, we have started a solution of the question paper of TIFR GS Chemistry examination. Tata Institute organized examination for taking the admission in the MSc and PhD research work in the chemistry. TIFR, Tata Institute of Foundation Research and Graduate School. Okay. In this examination, the questions based on the concept clarity as well as the thinking ability. And in previous video, you will get a solution of the questions on the basis of the concept clarity. Now start the solution of one more question. And question is that based on the our reaction rate of reaction or kinetics and effect of the temperature. In this question, we are going to discuss the effect of the temperature. What is the question? Read the question. Consider an assembles of atoms with two electronic energy levels. There are the two electronic energy level and assembling of the atoms. Atom A, suppose an atom B. Okay, and in a laser process, involved in a laser process. As a first step of the lasing process, a population inversion is done. Okay. And what can one say about the former absolute temperature of this population inverted assembled state? So we are going to discuss the exponent temperature on the basis of the given condition. In this condition, population inversion is done. In this condition, population inversion is done. Okay, and the four options are given. Temperature cannot be defined. In this condition, temperature is infinity, temperature is negative, and temperature is zero. Okay, so now start the solution on the basis of the concept. In this reaction, population inversion is going on. In this reaction, population inversion is going on, and we are using the Maxwell-Boltzmann law, which completely depends on the temperature. Okay, so what is the concept? What is the concept in this question? Concept is the, because of the temperature is question is the temperature based. Okay, so now Boltzmann distribution. Okay, according to the Boltzmann distribution, N2 divided by N1 for the explanation. It is the energy level, and exponent is equal to minus daily change in the change or difference in the energy, and K is the Boltzmann constant and T is the temperature. Okay, now write the further condition which given in our question. In our question, population inversion is given. For this concept used for the population inversion. How to use the population inversion? In case of the population inversion, ratio of this quantity N2 is greater than value of N. Okay, and what is the meaning of this greater than? That means the value will be the greater than 0, because of, in this condition, natural logarithm ln and n by n2 by n1 value is always greater than 0. Therefore, value of n2 will be the greater than n. Okay, it is a concept. On the basis of this concept, the population inversion is going on. Okay, so now we can solve like that. For the exponent to be positive, because of the value of the n2 is the greater than n1. Therefore, the exponent to be the positive. Our exponent to be positive, and when the exponent is positive, definitely the T means temperature. T must be negative. T must be negative. So you can find the temperature on the basis of the condition of the exponent. Condition of exponent. If the exponent is the positive because of the value is greater than n1 and T must be the negative. Okay. Therefore our answer will be the temperature value will be negative. Okay. Now match the answer with the given options. In these options, option number third, if the temperature is negative. You can solve this type of question on the basis of the some important concept. Okay. Thank you.